Have you ever worked with a mechanic or an engineer and wondered if they even like you? They might not shower you with compliments or say great job every 5 minutes, but that doesn't mean they don't appreciate you. In technical fields where every detail matters, appreciation is shown, not just spoken. Let's dive into how these pros express respect without saying a word. First up is trust. When an engineer hands you a really tough problem to solve, or a senior mechanic asks for your opinion on a tricky diagnosis, that's a huge sign of respect. They're not just giving you work, they're trusting your judgment and your skills. In a world built on precision, trusting someone's expertise is the ultimate compliment. It means they see you as a reliable, capable professional whose input is valuable. It's their way of saying, I believe in you and your ability to get this right. Next, it's all about respecting the process. Ever seen a mechanic stare silently at an engine for 10 minutes before touching a single tool? That intense focus is part of their problem-solving method. When colleagues give them that space, without rushing or interrupting, it's a quiet nod of appreciation. They respect the diagnostic process. When they listen carefully to your suggestions, even if they seem a bit out there at first, and genuinely consider your solutions, that's respect in action. It shows they value your mind and your approach, not just the final answer. Another big one is support. When things get tough, picture this. A major system has failed, the deadline is breathing down your neck, and the pressure is immense. The colleague who rolls up their sleeves and jumps in to help, not because they were asked, but because they saw a teammate in need, is showing the highest form of appreciation. That shared struggle builds a bond stronger than any words. It's a silent message that says, we're in this together, and I've got your back. This kind of support forges unbreakable teamwork and mutual respect. Then there's the shared commitment to quality. When your whole team insists on double-checking their work, maintaining the highest standards, and never cutting corners on safety, that's a collective form of appreciation. It shows they respect the work enough to do it right, and they respect their colleagues enough to ensure everything is safe and reliable. This shared dedication to excellence is a powerful statement. It says, I appreciate our shared goal of building something that lasts and that we can all be proud of. It's about valuing long-term results over short-term praise. One of the most powerful ways appreciation is shown is through sharing knowledge. When a seasoned engineer takes the time to explain a complex system to a junior team member, or a master mechanic patiently demonstrates a specific repair technique, that's mentorship in its purest form. They're not just passing on information, they're investing their time and experience in someone else's growth. This act of teaching builds a culture of trust and continuous improvement. It's a way of saying, I value you and want to see you succeed. So, you see, for mechanics and engineers, consistency is key. It's not about grand gestures or flashy compliments. It's about the steady, day-in-day-out demonstration of trust and respect. If they keep coming to you for your expertise, support your decisions, and work alongside you to maintain high standards, you can be sure they appreciate you. The appreciation is already there, woven into the very fabric of your professional relationship. It's expressed through action, responsibility, and a shared commitment to getting the job done right. It's a quiet, profound respect that's built to last. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, give this video a like and subscribe for more insights. See you next time.